Hello, welcome to my salon. I am Sophia.
Hi, Sophia. I am Tom. I need a haircut today.
You are in the right place. Please come inside the salon.
Thank you. Your salon is very bright. I like it.
I like big windows and sun. It makes me happy.
My hair is very long now. It looks very messy.
Don't worry, Tom. I can fix your hair quickly.
That is good to hear. I want to look neat.
Do you have an appointment today? We are busy.
No, I don't have one. Is there a free chair?
Yes, you are very lucky. My next client is late.
Perfect. This is my lucky day. I am happy.
Put your jacket over there. I have a hanger.
Okay, I am putting it now. The hanger is green.
Green is a nice color. It is very fresh.
I like your blue hair. It is very cool.
Thank you, Tom. I love the color blue.
It matches your eyes. You look like an artist.
Hair is my art. I love my job very much.
I can see that. You have many tools here.
Yes, I have scissors and combs. They are professional.
Are the scissors very sharp? I am a bit scared.
Don't be scared, Tom. I am a very careful person.
Okay, I trust you. You are the expert here.
Please sit in this chair. It is very soft.
Wow, the chair is moving. It is high.
I need to see your head. Now you are tall.
This is fun. I like the view in the mirror.
Now let's start the work. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Let's make me handsome.
First, we go to the sink. We must wash hair.
Is the water warm? I don't like cold water.
The water is perfect. I am checking it now.
Okay, I am leaning back. My head is in the sink.
Relax your neck, Tom. Close your eyes for a moment.
My eyes are closed. The water feels very good.
Now I use the shampoo. It smells like sweet oranges.
I love oranges. It is a delicious smell.
I am rubbing your head. It is a small massage.
This is very relaxing. I feel very calm now.
A massage is good for blood. It helps hair grow.
I don't need more hair. I have too much.
That is true. You have very thick hair.
My mother says the same. It is a family thing.
Now I am rinsing the foam. The water is clear.
I can hear the water. It sounds like a river.
Now I use the conditioner. It makes hair very soft.
My hair is usually hard, like a small brush.
The conditioner will help. Wait for 1 minute, please.
Okay, I am waiting. I am very patient today.
You are a good client. Many people are very fast.
I have time. I want a perfect haircut today.
And you will get it. I promise you that.
Thank you, Sophia. You are very kind to me.
One last rinse now. The hair is very clean.
I can feel the cleanliness. My head feels light.
Now I use a white towel. I am drying you.
Thank you. I am sitting up now. I see bubbles.
Those are just small bubbles. They will disappear soon.
Let's go back to the mirror. I am excited.
Follow me, Tom. The chair is waiting for you.
Look at this tablet, Tom. I have many photos.
There are many men here. They have nice hair.
Look at this photo. The hair is very short.
I like the sides, but the top is too short.
Okay, look at this one. The top is longer.
Yes, I like that style. It looks very modern.
This style is very popular. It is easy to style.
Will it look good on me? My face is round.
Yes, it is perfect. It makes your face look long.
That is exactly what I want. I like it.
I will cut the sides. I will use the machine.
Is the machine very loud? My ears are sensitive.
No, the machine is quiet. It is a new model.
That is good. I don't like loud buzzing noises.
I will be very fast. It will take 5 minutes.
And the top, will you use the scissors there?
Yes, I use scissors for the top. It is precise.
I want to keep some length. I like my hair.
I will keep 3 centimeters. Is that okay, Tom?
Yes, 3 centimeters is good. Not too much.
I am putting the cape on. It is black.
The cape is very big. I am like a king.
Smiling. Yes, you are the king today. My king.
Thank you. I like this royal treatment very much.
Now, keep your head straight. Do not move, please.
I am a statue. I am not moving a finger.
Perfect. I am starting the machine now. Listen.
I hear it. It is very soft, like a bee.
Exactly. Here we go, Tom. Let's change you.
I am ready. Go ahead, Sophia.
I am cutting the right side. The hair is falling.
I see the hair on the floor. It is brown.
Yes, it is a nice shade. It is very natural.
I feel the cold air now. My ears are free.
That is the feeling of a haircut. It is fresh.
Now you are on the left side. You are fast.
I have many years of practice. My hands are fast.
Do you cut hair every day? It is hard work.
Yes, every day. But I love meeting new people.
People like me? Or people with more hair?
I like all people. Everyone has a story.
My story is simple. I just want to look good.
That is a good story. Now look down, please.
I am looking at my shoes. They are new.
Nice shoes. Now I am cleaning your neck.
That machine is very small. It tickles a little.
It is a trimmer. It makes the lines very clean.
I can feel the sharp line. It feels very neat.
Now look up again. I am using the scissors.
Snip, snip, snip. I like that sound very much.
It is the sound of style. Your hair is perfect.
You are cutting the top now. Be careful, Sophia.
I am always careful. I am checking the length.
Is it 3 centimeters or is it shorter?
It is exactly 3. I have a professional eye.
I believe you. You are very focused now.
I want the balance to be right, left and right.
They must be the same. I don't want a mess.
They are perfect. I am almost finished with scissors.
Great. I can see the new Tom in the mirror.
The new Tom looks very handsome. Wait for the dryer.
Now I use the hair dryer. It is warm.
I like the warm air. It is very comfortable.
I am using a brush. I am lifting the hair.
Why do you lift the hair? Is it for volume?
Yes, volume makes the hair look thick and healthy.
It looks very different now. I am very surprised.
Now I use a little wax. It is for style.
Does the wax smell good? I like good smells.
It smells like coconut. It is very tropical.
Yes, I feel like I am on a beach.
I am putting it on the top, only a little.
My hair is staying up now. It is strong.
The wax holds the hair. It stays all day.
Can I go to the gym with this hair?
Yes, but don't sweat too much. The wax can move.
Okay, I will be careful. I have a date later.
A date? That is very exciting, Tom. Is she nice?
Yes, she's very nice. Her name is Maria.
Then you must look your best. Maria will be happy.
I hope so. She likes neat and clean men.
You are the neatest man in the city now. Thank you, Sophia. You are my favorite stylist. I am happy to help. Look at the mirror again.
Wow, I look like a model. This is amazing.
The color of your shirt is good too. It matches.
I bought it yesterday. It is a lucky shirt.
Everything is lucky today. Your hair is finished.
It is beautiful. I am very, very happy.
One last spray for the hold. Close your eyes.
Closing my eyes. I am ready for the spray.
There. You are perfect, Tom. You are ready.
Stand up, Tom. Turn around for me, please.
I am turning. Do I look good from the back?
Look here. The back is very clean.
Yes, the lines are perfect. You are a genius.
Thank you for the compliment. It makes me proud.
I feel very confident. My head feels very light.
Take your jacket, Tom. Don't forget your bag.
I have everything. Now let's go to the desk.
The price is $20. Is that okay?
Yes, it is a very good price for this work.
We have a special price for new clients today.
Thank you. I am using my blue card again.
Please put the card here. Wait for the beep.
Beep. It is done. The money is yours, Sophia.
Thank you, Tom. I have a business card for you.
Sophia Style Salon. I will put it in my wallet.
Come back in 4 weeks. Your hair grows fast.
I will mark the date. I want to see you again.
I will be here. I am always in the salon.
Have a wonderful day, Sophia. You are the best.
Have a great date with Maria. Tell her hello.
I will. She will love my new hair.
I am sure of it. Goodbye, Tom.
Goodbye, Sophia. I am walking to